Hi, it's Linette Blaszak, your Color Straight stylist here, and I'm going to show you how to put on some solid nails with some tips and tricks. The first tip I have is to make sure your hands are warm. I like to use a heating pad. You can also use a blow dryer or maybe sit on your hands. Next, you're gonna pick the proper size. When picking a solid, it's best to pick a size that's slightly a little bit smaller because there is some stretch to them to get out any bumps or wrinkles. Peel off this plastic top layer that is garbage. Then you're gonna peel off from this silver tab and you're gonna turn it sideways like a T method. You can also gently peel off this little tab here at the end. You want to make sure that you push it below your cuticles. And if you put it down a little crooked, you can always readjust it. So I always smooth down the middle and then kind of smooth outward toward each side. And then at the tip, I fold it under, stretch, and break it off underneath like that, okay? I'm gonna take my cuticle pusher and I am going to seal along the sides here to make sure that I get out any bumps. I personally always double my solids to allow for more resilience. And I'm gonna put the second layer over top. I always put the larger side second. Again, you wanna make sure it is not on your cuticle. You can use this cuticle pusher and stretch a little bit. I perforate with my thumb. I always do my thumbs last because I use them as my tool. You can trim off any excess with your thumb as well. You can do all solids or you can spice up your solids with other colors. Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to check out my other videos.